Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. In today's video, guys, we are going to talk about some new rebates that I saw on Ibotta. And let me give a special shout out and thank you to all the new joiners to the Coupon crew. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys, so I want to show you the rebates. We're going to talk about some coupons and some possible alternate store that you may need to go to because it may be a better price. So always remember you're going to scan in store to make sure that the rebate attaches, and also remember that my price at my Walmart may be different at your Walmart, so pay attention to that as well. With the soft soap, this is a good deal, guys. I didn't see any coupons on softsoap.com though, and of course Ajax dishwashing liquid, you're going to be buying that anyway. Now, I looked on the website for this. The Sweet Earth, no coupon did I find, guys. And this is a pretty pricey item, so I couldn't even find it on my website. This item was not showing up on the Walmart app either. The Dewey's is back. Remember, we had Peelies, so that can be a great deal to do again. Of course, this is going to be free after the rebate, so that's awesome. And Neosporin, I have a 75-cent coupons.com coupon that expires tomorrow. So hopefully you printed it. And then this is a great product because you're probably going to use this for your yard anyway this summer. Sleepy Time. Yes, we've got $50 and $1 coupons off of 2. And we've got 50-cent coupons for the Jimmy Dean from the 3/7 Save. I went on the website. I'll link it in the description box for these Goodie cookies, guys. So in the description box, you will sign up for their newsletter and you'll be able to get a $1 coupon off. So that's pretty good. They've got several rebates, like 4 rebates. So check the description box of this video. I've got the link so you can print that coupon once you join their newsletter. Now, Betty Crocker, these look fun, but I didn't see it on the app for my store, so I'll have to check another store. That same 75-cent coupons.com coupon is good for the Band-Aids as well as the Neosporin. For the Edwards pie, you need to go to Publix. It's buy one, get one free, $8.49, so it will be half price, which is cheaper than Walmart. This is a pretty big Stouffer'S dinner, so I haven't checked the price on that. Mini Pepsis, that's a great product to get. Of course, you're probably buying it anyway. And then there's some candy for them people that you making baskets for Easter. All right, guys, that was a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully these rebates will give you some kind of planning that you can plan to do these rebates and get your bonuses for your $10 bonus if you're working on that. I've already completed mine and I will upload the video this evening, guys, so you'll be able to see what rebates I got. And I'm real tempted to go back to the store and get some more because of these great new rebates that have showed up in the Ibotta app, my favorite app for couponing. If you guys are not already joined Ibotta, I encourage you to do so. My link in the description box, there is a referral code for joining Ibotta. If you guys are not already signed up for Ibotta, I think you should, because it's kind of like the American Express card. You don't want to leave home without it because you're going to get some good deals. You're buying this stuff anyway. Look at the Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. I mean, come on, guys. I'm going to buy that stuff anyway. That's it, guys. I will make this video entirely too long. Remember, clip to save. You will be amazed. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, guys. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and be blessed. Bye-bye.